Dear students, let's start. 10 lines on black money. Black money is unaccounted money which obtained illegally. Black money is generally in the form of cash, leaving no traces of its source. Not paying tax to the government generates black money. Disclosing income means the disclosure of one's income tax returns. The undisclosed income generates black money. Anybody who is involved in smuggling or any other unlawful activity will not disclose his income, making it black money. Earning large income and paying very less amount as tax to the government is tax evasion and is also another form of black money. It poses a serious threat to the economy as it will bring downfall to the economy of a nation. Generally, rich people try to evade their money and do not want to pay tax. It hampers the growth of a nation as the development gets affected due to the evasion of tax. Black money is a creator of other issues such as smuggling, terrorism, human trafficking, prostitution, illegal funding, etc. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.